Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We've got sunlight entering the room through the window and the temperature rises. The process is either heat or work. Explain. So the interaction is heat because there is a temperature difference between the sunlight and the room. So if we break it down, we are getting more radiation energy from the sun, and when there's more energy in the room, it excites the molecules inside the room. So when there's more energy, there's going to be a rise in temperature because the molecules are moving faster inside the room, which produces heat. Okay. So that's the explanation. Before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. You can do this by using sniffing tool. It's found on your taskbar, this icon right here. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in sniffing tool, open the program. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of sniffing tool. Okay, so once you have it open, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in sniffing tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.